What's going on, everybody on YouTube? It's Tony Tornado, and Mantha was behind me. Where'd you go, Mantha? Oh, there you are. Yo, you ready to go to school?
Yes.
We are taking Mantha to school, and it's the day after, what, Labor Day?
Yeah.
And it's actually tolerable weather. It's like 80s. So me and Mantha are on the way to her school, right, Mantha?
Yes.
And I was actually thinking, on the way home, while Mantha's in school, I brought up the Dew locator on my phone on the MountainDew.com website, and there is Voodoo in stores again. I really hope it's there. I really hope it's there. Everybody knows all around the country we've had shipping problems, but I do think that there's a good probability that it's going to be there. If it says it's there, it's usually there. So I am really excited. Yo, I might be able to get Voodoo today, Mantha. Do Voodoo! Oh, it's gonna be so great if we can get our hands on some of that as we make our way down to Mantha's school. Mega yay!
It's super windy and Tony's filling the car up. Ha! Funny. It's too windy and the thing won't stay in place. Mega windy. Mega windy. Yeah. I know it's gonna be that windy. It's like mega windy. Whoa. The car's moving. Wee! 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 Look at the sign. Whoa. Bunny.
Dude!
What?
Hey, at least my hair don't look that bad now. Dude, my hair, like, I look like a
bird.
I look like a
bird.
No, like a Oompa Loompa from the factory. Like the way my hair was blowing. Oh my goodness. We ran, I don't know if I want to do that again. I ran that gas down pretty low. We had maybe 0.3 of a gallon left.
Oh wow.
Yeah, like it was actually pretty low.
Okay.
So, yeah. All right, we're gonna go drop Mantha off at her school, and then I'm gonna go try to find a Voodoo.
Yes.
Yay, Mantha.
Yay.
And my hair still looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I just dropped Mantha off, and this is the closest location on the Dew locator near me that has the Voodoo right there. Interesting enough. Let's see if I can find this Family Dollar and then go see how much Voodoo is in there. Let's go, guys, let's do it. So apparently the Family Dollar is right over here. It's on we're on the corner of Rancho and Charleston right now. But yeah, there's a Family Dollar over here. I don't think I've ever been to a Family Dollar like the whole time I've lived here. I've been to Dollar Trees and I've been to 99-cent stores. Yeah, I had to put the GPS on because I'm like, where the hell is the Family Dollar? I've never even, I don't think I've ever been in one. I don't think I have. So we are about to be, it's only like a mile away. It's right down the street. And there is nobody around. There's nobody around Vegas. Nobody at all. But it's really windy today. Oh my goodness, guys. And I can't believe it. Look at this. It's only 81 degrees. You see that? Only 81. That is amazing for Vegas. It's been 110 to 115 degrees all summer long, every single day. There was actually one day, and I couldn't believe it, there was one day I saw the temperature hit 119. Absolutely insanity, ladies and gentlemen. But we're gonna go down here, right down the street to Family Dollar. Hopefully they got some voodoo. Okay guys, wish me some luck here because we're over here at the Family Dollar now. We're gonna go walk inside. Hopefully the Mountain Dew voodoo is here. Let's go in. Oh, he done blue. Let's see where they're at. I see some coolers back here. Let's see. Where you at? Where you at? Right there. The voodoo. Yes. Oh, there's two. There's two. That's amazing. There was only 2 bottles. Oh, but I got them both. Yes. Goodness, guys! Yeah, we found it! We found the Mountain Dew! Voodoo! Yes! Yes! I was so worried this year we weren't gonna find any, but oh man, I actually asked someone, I didn't get a chance to film that part, but I asked somebody that was in there, said, hey, do you guys have any more of those? And there was actually 3 more bottles. So I got 5 total bottles in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5. We got 5. That's amazing. That's amazing. Woo! I cannot wait to see and taste the new Mountain Dew Voodoo again, just like last year, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I'm so excited. This is already a great day. I love Mountain Dew. I breathe Mountain Dew. And I am Mountain Dew. Oh man, I'm so excited. Mantha's gonna be so happy too when she finds out. Yes! Yes! Just put those beautiful Voodoos in the fridge for later. I cannot wait to do the review on the Voodoo tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the bottle comparison right there, 2019, 2020. My seal collection has grown quite a bit for the Voodoos and all the Dews. And where's Cowie's? There's Cowie down there. Cowie. Cowie. Oh yeah, I need some ice for my Dew-nited mug. And then I use this every day. I think that's Ashley. I use this every day. Every single day I use this, my Dew-nited mug, and I fill up the Dews with ice cubes. Let me use my tripod here for a sec. Boom. There we go. 'Cause I love Mountain Dew. We gotta get more Dew. We're running low. Mantha's out of frostbite. But no, I got the Voodoo. Oh man, I cannot wait to drink that voodoo tonight. Cannot wait. Oh yeah, the voodoo. Isn't that right, Cowie? That's Cowie. Oh yeah, just look at that fizzle. Look at that fizzle, guys. Oh yeah. Perfect.